Welcome to this video lecture. Myself is V. Senthil, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Sengupatti, Thanjavur District. We will talk about our topic is partial differential equation. First, we will write the definition of partial derivatives. What is meant by partial derivative? A partial differential equation is an equation involving a function of two or more variables and the sum of its partial derivatives. We use some notation. In this chapter, we use the following notations like T equal to dou Z by dou X, Q equal to dou Z by dou Y, R equal to dou square Z by dou X square, S is equal to dou square Z by dou X dou Y, T equal to dou square Z by dou Y square. Some of the examples. In example 1, dou square U by dou X square equal to dou U by dou Y. U is dependent variable, X and Y are independent variable. In example 2, dou square U by dou X whole cube plus dou U by dou Y equal to 0. U is dependent variable, X and Y are independent variable. In example 3, X dou U by dou X plus Y dou U by dou Y plus dou U by dou T equal to 0. U is dependent variable, X, Y and T are dependent variable. The another one definition is the order of a partial differential equation is the order of highest partial derivative occurring in the equation. In the above example 1, in example 1 is the second order equation in two variables. In example 2 is the first order equation in two variables. In example 3, first order equation in three variables. Define a partial differential equation. A partial differential equation which involves partial derivatives. For example, x into dou U by dou X plus y into dou Z by dou Y equal to Z square. Define partial differential equation. A partial differential equation is an equation involves partial derivatives. In example 1, x into dou Z by dou X plus y into dou Z by dou Y equal to Z square. In example 2, dou square U by dou X square plus dou square U by dou Y square equal to 0. In definition 2, define the order of a PDE. PDE means partial differential equation. The order of a PDE is the order of highest partial derivative. Note that point, highest partial derivatives occurring in it. This is called the order of partial differential equation. When a PDE is said to be linear, if independent variable and its partial derivatives occurring in the first degree, then we say that the PDE is linear. What do you mean that? It is an independent variable, partial derivatives occurring in the first degree. Underline the word first degree. Then we say that the PDE is linear. Type 1. Type 1 problem, I have some examples. What is the definition of type 1? Number of arbitrary constants less than or equal to number of independent variables is the PDE of order 1. So we have some more problems in these examples. Form a PDE eliminating the arbitrary constants from Z equal to AX plus BY. That means eliminating the arbitrary constants A and B. So first I will write an arbitrary constant and an independent variable. In this way, arbitrary constant you will write A and B, and the independent variable you will write X and Y. Number of arbitrary constant is 2, that is A and B. Number of independent variable is 2, X and Y. So number of arbitrary constants equal to number of independent variable. This is called the first order PDE. So I will write the equation Z equal to AX plus BY. Equation 1 partially differentiate with respect to X. That is dou Z by dou Y equal to A. We know that the notation dou Z by dou X equal to P. So I will put P is equal to A. Similarly, equation 1, again in equation 1, partially differentiate with respect to Y. That means dou Z by dou Y equal to B. dou z by dou y equal to q. Therefore, dou q equal to b. Substituting 2 and 3 in 1, we get z is equal to px plus qy. That means a PD of arbitrary constants eliminate z is equal to ax plus by equal to z is equal to px plus qy, eliminating a and. In second problem of a PDE, arbitrary constants from z is equal to x plus a whole square plus y minus b the whole square. Solutions. First, you will write arbitrary constants and independent variable. Arbitrary constants a and b. Independent variables x and y. Number of arbitrary constants is a and b. So totally 2 arbitrary constants. Number of independent variable x and y. So totally 2 independent variables. So this is called the first order PDE. So I will write z is equal to x plus a whole square plus y minus b the whole square. Equation 1, partially differentiate with respect to x. So dou z by dou x equal to 2 times of x plus a plus 0, because of the reason being partially differentiate with respect to x only, so the y term is 0. Therefore, we can easily simplify x plus a equal to p by 2. In a similar way, equation 1 again partially differentiate with respect to y. We get q equal to dou z by dou y equal to 2 times of y minus b. The x minus a whole square equal to 0, because of the reason being partially differentiate with respect to x y only, so the term is 0. So we can easily simplify that y minus b equal to q minus 2. Substituting 2 and 3 in 1, we get z is equal to p by 2 whole square plus q by 2 whole square. We can simplify that 4z equal to p square plus q square. Problem 3, form a differential equation by eliminating the constants a and b from z is equal to a x power n plus b y power n. First, you will write arbitrary constant and independent variable. Number of arbitrary constant is a and b. Number of independent variable is x and y. So totally 2 arbitrary constant and 2 independent variable. This is called first order PDE. So I will write the equation z is equal to a into x power n plus b into y power n. Again, equation 1 partially differentiate with respect to x. So p is equal to dou z by dou x. Partially differentiate with respect to x only. So a into n x power n minus 1 plus 0. So you will put easily write that a equal to p by n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, equation 1 is partially differentiate with respect to y. So q equal to dou z by dou y equal to p into n into y power n minus 1. So b equal to q into n into y power n minus 1. Substituting the values 2 and 3 in 1, we get z is equal to p into x power n by n into x power n minus 1, q plus q into y power n by n into y power n minus 1. Both terms 1 by n is common. So p into x plus q into y. So we can easily simplify that z is equal to 1 by n into x plus qy. Then we can easily simplify that px plus qy equal to nz. Problem 4. Find the differential equation of all sphere of radius 5 having their centers x and y. So arbitrary constants a and b. Number of independent variables is x and y. So totally arbitrary constant is 2 and independent variable is also 2. So this is called the first order PDE. We know that the differential equation of spheres of radius 5. We know that the equation of the sphere is x minus a whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z square equal to 5 square, because of the center is in the xy plane. So that's why I write x minus a whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z square equal to 5 square. Equation 1 is partially differentiate with respect to x and y. We get 2 times of x minus a plus y minus b equal to 0. Z square is 2z into dou z by dou x. So simply I will write 2 into x minus a plus 2z p equal to 0. Then we can write x minus a equal to minus zp. Similar way, equation 1 is again partially differentiate with respect to y. So 2 times of y minus b plus 2z dou z by dou y equal to 0. Then we can easily write 2 into y minus b plus 2z q equal to 0. Then y minus b equal to minus z cube. Substituting the values of 2 and 3 in 1. That means x minus a equal to minus zp, y minus q equal to minus zq. In equation 1, we can easily z square p square plus z square q square plus z square equal to 25. Z square is common. So z square into p square plus q square plus 1 equal to 5. Type 2. Number of arbitrary constants greater than number of independent variables is called partial differential equation of order greater than 1. This is called our type 2. We will go, this is our going to next problem. Find the partial differential equation of all sphere whose center is ABC and radius is R unit. The partial differential equation of all sphere whose center is ABC and radius is R units. So we know that the arbitrary constants, first we will write arbitrary constants and the independent variables. The partial differential equation of all sphere whose center is ABC. So I will put x minus a whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z minus c the whole square and radius is R unit. So I will put R square. Equation 1 partially differentiate with respect to x. So 2 times of x minus a plus 0 plus 2 into z minus c into p equal to 0. So 2 into x minus a plus 2 into z minus c into p equal to 0. 2 is common, so I will put x minus a plus z minus c into p equal to 0. So similarly, partially differentiate with respect to y. Y minus b plus z minus c equal to 0. This is called our equation number 3. Again, partially differentiate with respect to x and y. That means equation 2 is partially differentiate with respect to x and equation 3 is partially differentiate with respect to y. In equation 2, partially differentiate with respect to x, we can easily simplify that 1 plus z minus c into r plus p square. We know that r equal to dou square z by dou x square. In a similar way, z minus c into r equal to minus 1 minus p square plus 1 into z minus c into t plus q square equal to 0. Therefore, z minus c into t equal to minus 1 into minus q square. Therefore, z minus c equal to minus 1 into minus p square by r. This is called our equation 6 and 7. Equation 6 and 7 are both one are the same because of z minus c equal to minus 1 minus p square by r minus 1 minus q square by t. So both minus minus gets cancelled. Then we can easily simplify to get the answer of r into 1 plus q square plus t into 1 plus t square. Next, our problem is how to eliminate the arbitrary functions. First two type is arbitrary, how to eliminate arbitrary constants of order less than 1 and less than or equal to 1 and greater than 1. In this type, we eliminate the arbitrary functions. How to eliminate the arbitrary functions? How can you identify the arbitrary functions? The number of arbitrary function is 1, the PDE of order 1. This is called our type 1. The eliminate of one arbitrary function gives the partial differential equation of order 1. So we are going to discuss our next problem. Form the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions from z equal to f of x square minus y square. F is called our arbitrary function. First we eliminate the arbitrary function like f. Arbitrary function is only 1. This is called our first order PDE. So they will write the equation z equal to f of x square minus y square, partially differentiating with respect to x and y. We get dou z by dou x equal to p. That means f dash of x square minus y square into 2x. Again, partially differentiate with respect to, we can easily simplify that. Q equal to f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. Therefore, f dash of x square minus y square equal to minus q by 2y. Equation 2 and 3 are both one are the same. Therefore, p by 2x equal to minus q by 2y. Therefore, py equal to minus qx. This is our solution. So we are going to our next problem. Eliminate the arbitrary function f from z equal to f of xy by z and form the PDE. So first I will write our arbitrary functions. The number of arbitrary function is 1. So this is called our first order PDE. So I will write the equation z is equal to f of xy by z, partially differentiate with respect to x. P is equal to f dash of xy by z. This is the form of u by v. So I will put zy minus xy into p by z square. This is our equation 1. Therefore, f dash of xy by z equal to p z square minus by zy minus xyp. Similarly, partially differentiate with respect to y. F dash of xy by z equal to qz square by zx minus xyq. Substituting the values 2 and 3, then we can easily simplify for that. Px equal to qy. So we are going to discuss our next problem. Form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary functions pi from pi of x square plus y square equal to y square plus z square. That is eliminating the functions. So first you will write number of arbitrary function is 1. This is called our first order PDE. First I will write the equation pi of x square plus y square equal to y square plus z square, differentiating partially with respect to x and y. Pi dash of x square plus y square into 2x equal to 2z into p. Pi dash of x square plus y square into 2y equal to 2y plus 2z into q. Therefore, pi dash of x square plus y square equal to, in equation 1, pi dash of x square plus y square equal to zx, zp by x. Similarly, zp by x into y equal to y plus zq. Substituting 3 into, then we can easily identify. Thank you.